Understanding the phrase, check availability. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, check availability. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly helpful for English learners. So, let's dive in and learn more about it. Check availability is a phrase used to inquire about the availability of something, such as a product, service, or a reservation. It implies verifying whether the item or service you're interested in is available at a particular time or in a certain quantity. This phrase is often used in contexts like hotel bookings, product purchases, or scheduling appointments. Hotels and accommodations. When you want to book a hotel room, you often need to check availability for the dates you plan to stay. This means finding out if rooms are free during that period. Product purchases. In retail, check availability might refer to confirming whether a product is in stock, especially if it's a popular item that could be sold out. Appointments and reservations. When scheduling appointments or making reservations at restaurants, you might be asked to check availability for specific dates and times. Making inquiries. You can use the phrase in questions like, "Can I check the availability of this product?" Or, "How do I check availability for the weekend?" Online usage. Many websites have a Check Availability button, especially on hotel booking and e-commerce sites. Clicking this often leads to a calendar or inventory list. 1. Before planning your trip, always check availability at the hotels in your desired destination. 2. Could you check the availability of the blue sweater in size medium? 3. The restaurant asked us to check availability online before making a reservation. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, check availability, and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, it's all about finding out if something you need or want is available at a certain time. Keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to check availability next time you're making plans. See you in our next video.